Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can create this negative text animation inside Premiere Pro. If you want to create this in CapCut, you can see this tutorial of mine. I will leave the link in the description below. So let's get started. First I need to bring in our text layer. So I will select this text tool and click anywhere on the screen, and then I will type in negative for just to use as an example. And I will simply use this scale and position properties to relocate it anywhere on my screen. Place it like this. Then you can simply go to essential graphics. If it's not showing, you simply go to window and then click essential graphics. It will show here. Then you need to select this text layer and simply scroll down, and from here you can change the font. Like I will use this font, and then you can adjust the font size as well. There are pretty other fonts as well. You can simply try anyone like this. Now we need to make sure our color is white, and we do not need to enable a stroke. Now once our text is ready, I will just simply select this. In this blend options, I will blend mode to difference, so it will look like this. You can simply just adjust these like as well. Now if you want, you can also add some stroke to it. Like I will add a black stroke, or I can add white stroke as well. The black one is looking good, so I will choose this and make it 1. It's up to you if you want to use stroke or not. Then if you want to animate it, it will be a bonus tip. You can simply go to presets. I will simply drag this caption preset to the timeline. If you want this preset, you can download it from my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. So it will give us this look. If you want to adjust this preset, simply click these arrows like this and just select all the keyframes and drag them like this, and it will be a bit fast like this. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.